Good morning, everyone. It's 10:30, it's Friday morning, and we're going left at the light. Today we're going to Mingus Mountain. It's about 22 miles away. Mingus Mountain itself is a 12-mile climb with 2,600 feet of climbing. It's gonna be fun. And I got the gang to go some of the way with me. We just got into Cottonwood and we are officially 16.5 miles in with under 500 feet. Lots of climbing to do in the next 20 miles. All right, these guys are turning around. Madison's longest ride is gonna be today on her new giant Revolt, which we're gonna do some photos and a video of while we're here in Sedona. Yeah. I think this is the mountain right behind me. Mingus Mountain. I took a quick pit stop. I just came up the mountain just about into Jerome. Wanted to stop and take a photo of my bike. I believe we're gonna take all the switchbacks up into Jerome and start our climb to Mingus Mountain. It's warm. I got off course a little bit, but I got to see this really cool water stream. Pretty dope. And I get to go up these stairs. It's getting warm. Just made it to the Mingus picnic area and started the gravel. I'm about 2 miles from the lake. I've reached the summit, 7,000 feet. Feeling that elevation. Officially made it to the Mingus Mountain lookout point. Elevation 7,734. Oh man, that climb was hot. My feet are burning. First time my feet have gotten really hot on a ride so far in the Giant Charge Pro shoes. I love them. They're really great. I'll post a link down below if you guys are interested in some mountain shoes. They're outstanding. Giant also has the Surge Pro if you're looking for the road shoe. I'll probably get those later on down the line when I get another road bike, but for now, these are fire. I'd even use them for the road, honestly. I'm gonna loosen up my shoes, drink some water, have some feel, and make my way back down the mountain. It took me 3 hours and 1 minute to get to the top of this mountain from the house. Let's see how long it takes me to get back. Made it safely down the mountain. Landed in Clarksdale, Arizona. I'm about 21 miles away from the house. Got a Sprite, green apple Gatorade, and a liter of water. I'm gonna try and just non-stop from here. So I'm gonna take about 5 or so more minutes and then make my way home.